Have you ever experienced an issue with an implant mount sticking to an implant? Osstem implant has a right solution for you. To remove the jammed mount from the implant, use the removal tool to easily remove the mount. First, remove the mount screw. Then, engage the removal tool clockwise. To remove the jammed mount from the implant, select the proper removal tool from the implant size. The jammed mount can be removed by the counterforce of the rotating removal tool when the tool reaches the bottom of the internal screw thread of the implant. If the mount gets stuck after placing an implant, the removal tool can be used to remove it.